So today we are going to demonstrate how to implement Graphbit Tracer to your Graphbit agent and workflows. So before we begin, we need to know that we need to log in into the Graphbit Cloud platform. So I'm logging into it. So there we go. And after logging into it, you will see something like this. This is the interface, and we'll navigate to the tracing. Now we need to create a project. So here you can generate an API key. We need this. I'm copying it. And now you need to prepare an Python environment uh, where make sure you have installed GraphBit and the Graphbit Tracer. I've already installed them in my environment. Right now I'm going to follow some procedures, like I need to export my GraphBit tracing API key, which I collected from the GraphBit Cloud platform. So I'm copying it again. There we go. Later, I need to export it. So here is my project name, and it is should be GraphBit demo. Okay, I'm exporting the GraphBit tracing API URL. So it's by default pointed to the GraphBit Cloud platform for the demo purpose. I'm also exporting this one. So now we have configured our environment properly. It's time to test. So I've already written two programs in my code base, and you can see that this one is related to the LLM client. That means I'm going to call an LLM using GraphBit, and we are going to trace it with GraphBit Tracer. So first of all, we need to make it async, and then we are going to create a tracer here, and later we are going to use a traced client. We are going to wrap it up with LLM client and LLM configuration. Then we are going to call the LLM with traced client dot complete full async function, and then we finally send the traces to the API endpoint. And in the end, we're going to clean up it with tracer.shutdown. Now let's run it. So we are seeing that it is sent, and we're going to check it to the GraphBit Cloud platform. So you can see that this is the project we have created. Its name is GraphBit Demo, and in the details section you can get the latency and total token uses and the input output. Later are going to see how we are going to implement GraphBit Tracer in our workflow. So this implementation is almost same, that we are creating again the tracer. The changes are in wrapping it up. So before that, we use a wrap client. For the workflow, we are going to use a wrap executor, where we will be passing the executor and LLM configurations. Then we are finally going to execute it through the traced executor, and like before, we are going to send it to the API endpoint, and at the end we are going to clean it up. So let's test it again. So you can see that we have implemented two agents here. That's why two traces are sent. And let's check. Here we can see that already we have got those workflow agents data. So here similar like before, input, output, and the latency and the token uses is they are visible now. So that's how Graphbit Tracer works. It's really simple to implement. Thank you.